Alright, welcome to my video where I'm going to convert from slope point form and slope intercept forms to general form. Now you notice the work I have above is from the previous video that I made where we took slope point and went to slope intercept. So I'm going to start back in slope point form. I'm going to show how you can go straight from there to slope intercept. The first thing that I want to do in this case is I don't like the fact that I have a denominator here. So I want to get rid of that 2 because general form is such that we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers, and a is not equal to a negative. It's positive in this case. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to multiply both sides through by 2, first off. That's going to get rid of my 2 that I have in the denominator there. I'm going to expand through. I'm going to get 2y minus 18 is equal to, those cancel, and I can expand this negative 3 through now. So I'm going to get negative 3x. The negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And then I want to get everything over on the same side. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. I'll just put it in front as positive 3x. I'm going to add 9 to both sides, and then summarize. So on the right hand side I have 0. On the left hand side I have 3x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. And this would be your general form. So that's one way to do it. That's taking it straight from slope point form. If we are already in slope intercept form, it's a pretty basic step as well. So I'm just going to rewrite the slope intercept form that I have above there. So it was y is equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 9 over 2. It's essentially the same process in a way. I still have a denominator here, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of that. So I'm going to be left with 2y on the left-hand side. And then this 2 is going to distribute to both pieces here. For the first term, it's going to cancel the 2's. We're going to be left with negative 3x. For the second one, it's going to cancel the 2. We're going to be left with plus 9. And then I'm just going to move these pieces over to the other side, changing signs as I do that. So we're going to get positive 3x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. The exact same thing, general form, but just taken from slope intercept form this time instead. Anyways, hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.